Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that little vignette from my recent trip to Svalbard. I can't wait to show you more of what I captured out there. But today I want to talk about something that often makes or breaks a film: sound. This video isn't going to be a deep technical tutorial. Think of it more like a quick example of how music and sound design can come together to pull your viewer into a story. So let's start at the beginning. Here's the opening with no sound. Feels pretty empty, right? There's no emotion, no atmosphere. Let's bring in the sound design. This is where I can create the atmosphere I'm in. Things like distant waves, the creaking of the ship, and little details that highlight the action. It's definitely better, but something is still missing. So let's try it with just the music and no sound design. The beginning still feels completely empty because the track doesn't kick in until I press play on the phone. Now let's put them all together. Notice how they work together to tell the story and pull you into the visuals. I know this was short and not really a tutorial at all, but I will be making more in-depth videos about sound in filmmaking soon. This video wasn't sponsored by MusicBed, but they are my go-to platform for royalty-free music and sound effects. Their app and offline playlists are some of my favorite features. I was circumnavigating the island of Svalbard with zero service, so because I set up the playlist in advance and went into the offline mode, I was able to listen, be inspired, and actually start creating this video while in one of the most remote places on the planet. So if you are interested in trying out MusicBed, I have a 14-day free trial, link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next one.